if I'm not with you. When I feel right, now girl, my body's calling. Hey, go to you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brittany. Hey, hello, how are you? On this channel, I like to discuss my life, my past, my journey, with the hopes of inspiring and motivating and providing personal development tips in my own little ways that resonate with women and girls with similar backgrounds to myself. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and I'm gonna get into this video. Okay, so in this video, I will be showing my nighttime lip routine. I'm not trying to be conceited or whatever, but it's important that we have some type of routine that takes care of our lips. Like, you don't want to be walking around with chapped lips, crusty lips. So I have a routine. I don't know about you, but I have a routine. And if you need a routine, go ahead, watch this video and adopt my routine, because I mean, I can't have my girls walking around with crusty lips. Okay, so for starters, we're gonna start with flossing, brushing our teeth, and cleaning our mouth. You want to use your mouthwash, you want to floss, you want to brush, do everything you can to get that mouth clean. For my next step, I like to use this coconut oil to go ahead and moisturize my lips, because I don't want any moment where my lips aren't being moisturized at all. Next, I like to go ahead and make my own exfoliant scrub with sugar and honey. It's natural and it tastes really good too. You want to take the scrub and rub it all over your lips in a circular motion and exfoliate, rub, 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 scrub, scrub, scrub. Guys, if you are enjoying this content so far, please do one of the following: like this video, subscribe to the channel, or leave a comment for me or one of my friends. I know this video is about lips, so let's stay on topic. Okay, so to stay on topic with lips, let's talk about this podcast that I know of. This podcast actually used my lips in their logo, and I want to give them a shout out because the purpose behind the podcast is so amazing. The idea is spectacular. The podcast is actually called The Secrets They've Kept. Basically, they're gonna be focusing on the secrets and knowledge and information that may not have been given to you as a child or as an adult. It's just some things that you may not know as a woman. It's a lot of things that you may not know as a woman. It's a lot of things that I had to figure out on my own as a woman. But this podcast is there for you to listen to it and to get all the secrets and all the information that you need relating to being a woman. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, I really suggest following them on Instagram and being a part of their community and adding them onto your podcast. Here I'm just rinsing off the residue from the sugar scrub and patting my face dry. Lastly, you just add your favorite chapstick or favorite lip balm and rub your lips together, massaging them, repeating this during the night before you go to bed. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.
For me, each day. Will always love you. Girl, I will always